and projects have been implemented around the world. These initiatives focus on promoting environmentally and socially responsible coffee production practices, as well as improving the livelihoods of coffee farmers. In this essay, we will examine some of the most significant sustainable coffee programs and projects, their challenges, and their potential impact. One of the most well-known sustainable coffee programs is the Rainforest Alliance certification. The Rainforest Alliance is an international organization that works to promote sustainable farming practices and protect the environment. The Rainforest Alliance certification is awarded to coffee farms that meet a set of rigorous sustainability standards, including protecting forests, conserving biodiversity, and promoting fair labor practices. The certification has been awarded to thousands of coffee farms across the world, including in countries such as Brazil, Colombia, and Ethiopia. Another significant sustainable coffee program is the Fairtrade certification. Fairtrade works to ensure that coffee farmers receive a fair price for their products, have access to better working conditions and resources, and promote environmentally sustainable farming practices. Fairtrade certification also covers other products such as tea and cocoa. In addition to certifications, many organizations and companies have developed their own sustainable coffee initiatives. For example, Starbucks has developed a set of guidelines for sustainable coffee production, including reducing water usage and improving soil health. The company has also partnered with Conservation International to promote sustainable coffee farming practices. Similarly, Nespresso has developed a program called the Nespresso AAA Sustainable Quality Program, which aims to promote sustainable coffee farming practices in countries such as Colombia, Ethiopia, and Costa Rica. The program works with coffee farmers to improve the quality and sustainability of their coffee crops, as well as provide training and support for sustainable farming practices. The 4C Association is another important initiative that promotes sustainable coffee production. The 4C Association is a global organization that works to establish a set of common standards for coffee farming. These standards cover various aspects of coffee production, including environmental, social, and economic sustainability. The 4C Association also provides training and support to coffee farmers to help them implement sustainable practices. Despite the many sustainable coffee programs and initiatives in place, there are still challenges to achieving sustainable coffee production on a global scale. One major challenge is the lack of awareness and understanding of sustainable coffee practices among coffee consumers. While many people may be willing to pay more for sustainable coffee, they may not understand the importance of these practices or how to identify sustainable coffee products. Another challenge is the limited resources available to coffee farmers to implement sustainable practices. Small-scale farmers, in particular, may lack access to the necessary training and resources to implement sustainable practices effectively. In addition to the programs mentioned earlier, there are several other sustainable coffee programs and projects that have been implemented around the world. One such program is the UT certification. The UT certification is a sustainability certification that focuses on improving the social, environmental, and economic conditions of coffee production. The program aims to promote responsible coffee farming practices by providing training and support to farmers, as well as certification that ensures the quality and sustainability of coffee products.